Hey there, aren't you tired of working your tail off for peanuts, struggling with debt while your dreams of a better life feel like a delusional idea? What if I told you that you could significantly increase your income by dedicating just a couple of hours a day? And no, I'm not talking about sketchy pyramid schemes or gambling. I'm talking about a legitimate tool used by Wall Street's biggest players. My name is Dennis, and I've been a professional trader for 8 years. Today, I consult major firms like BlackRock and Goldman Sachs on trading strategy development and training analysis for their financial departments. I'm also the founder of an international trading club where over 20,000 people are mastering trading from scratch. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain to show you a step-by-step system that will kickstart your trading journey. Even if you know absolutely nothing about finance right now, this isn't just another video from some so-called expert sitting on a couch. This is a real opportunity to turn things around. How does the idea of learning from a seasoned trader and taking your first steps toward financial success sound to you? If so, let's dive in. I've got something special for you. How does the idea of learning from a professional trader with 8 years of experience who consult top financial companies worldwide without spending a dime sound tempting, right? Well, it's absolutely real. I'm inviting you to my private club where I share exclusive insights you won't find anywhere else. You'll discover how my proven strategy works, watch my trades in real time, and learn directly from my actions. In the club, I open trades lives twice a day and share my trading strategies with members. You don't need to be a financial expert, just follow my lead and develop a valuable skill. All you need to do is click the link in the description and subscribe to the channel. Access is still free for now, but I cannot guarantee you how long it will stay the way as I personally connect with every new member. And the access to the club might close soon. This is your chance to get invaluable knowledge and personal support completely free. Don't miss it. Alright, let's start trading. The platform is already open. I'll begin with 20. You can actually start with any amount, even just one. Now let's choose our pairs. This one, and this one. Perfect. Now let's move on to the indicators. Today I'll be using the alligator. It helps determine when to enter the market. The key is not to trade when the alligator is asleep, but to wait for the moment when the lines diverge and the movement begins. Don't worry if some of this sounds unfamiliar. I've been analyzing and forecasting for years, so I always handle the complex part. Alright, just a few more settings. Alright, everything is set up. It's time to start trading. Let's go. Let's check out the first pair. No need to overthink here. I'm going down. All the alligator indicator lines are pointing downward, which shows a strong downtrend. For those who like the details, the green line lips is below the red line, teeth, and the red line is below the blue line, jaw. This confirms a strong downtrend. The lines are diverging, indicating strengthening pace. All conditions state a continuation of the downtrend. Great friends, let's keep going. Alright, let's focus on this pair. I'm going with 38. I see a battle between buyers and sellers on the chart, but the bears won. Key markers: a red candle cross below the alligator lines, indicating a trend reversal. The indicator lines turned downward and began to spread apart, confirming the downtrend. Sellers are in control, so I expect further decline going down. We are at 72 now, just a little, but we are moving forward. Let's keep going. Let's see what we got here. The alligator indicator lines are all pointing downward, confirming a strong downtrend. There was also a small upward correction, but the price touched the white line, alligator's jaw, and bounced back down, continuing the trend. All signs point to further decline. I'm going down. The trend remains downward and the price continues to move lower. Let's watch and see. Perfect. The prediction was correct. Moving on. Let's check out the next pair. I see an uptrend as all three alligator lines are pointing up. There's also a slight downward correction, but the price remains above the indicator, confirming the upward movement. Using the correction as a great entry point, going up. Awesome. We're at 264 now. Let's keep it going. By the way, friends, if you haven't checked out my trading club yet, I have some important news for you. During my sessions, I share only proven tools and carefully selected assets. Every step is based on market analysis and real-time data to help members achieve solid results. You don't have to figure out the complexities on your own or spend hours studying. Use my most reliable strategies, tested and refined over the years. Everything is structured so that even beginners can see progress from their very first steps without spending months learning theory. Plus, you can start with any budget, whether it's small, balanced, or a larger amount. It's simple. Join, give it a try, and see yourself how accessible it is. And the greatest part, right now, access to the club is completely free. The link is waiting for you in the description. Don't miss out. Our next trading session could start at any moment. Moving on, let's take a look at this one. The trend is still up. All three alligator lines are pointing upward. I also see a slight pullback downward, but the price has touched the white line, the alligator's jaw, and bounced back up. This confirms that buyers are still in control. Alright, buckle up, we are taking off again. Halfway through, friends. Let's keep up the pace. Let's check out this pair. The price has been trading downward for a while, then made a small upward correction. Now that correction is over and the price is starting to cross below the alligator lines, all signs point to a continued drop. Nice, we are over 900 now. I like these numbers. What do we have here? After a long downward trend, the price is now moving sideways, indicating a slowdown. Looking at the alligator indicator, the lines are starting to curve upward, showing a potential trend reversal going up. $1,363. That's already a solid result, but I'm going for more. Let's pause on this pair. After a long downtrend, the price is now in a sideways range, meaning buyers and sellers are fighting for control. Checking the alligator indicator, the lines have turned upward, pointing to a possible shift in direction. The price has also crossed above the indicator, suggesting the start of an uptrend going up again. Look at this result. I could stop here, but I want to finish with the top possible outcome. What do we have here? Pretty straightforward. The indicator has turned downward, showing a shift to a downtrend. Sliding down, friends. Alright, I love final trades. Time to go big. This is our final trade. Let's use 4,500. The trend is still downward. All alligator lines are pointing down. Sticking with the trend, going down. Look at our final result. Perfect. So many ideas on how to spend it already. Alright, here's the deal. I'm about to share insights that you won't find in any open source material or trading course. This is my personal experience, my hard-earned strategies, my years of experience which I have been refining for years. And now I've put it all inside my private channel. But it's not just about theory. I show my real-time trades, break down my decisions, and personally answer questions from members. This isn't just a channel, it's a direct mentorship. You won't just watch, you will learn, apply, and grow. And the greatest part, right now, you can get access to all of this absolutely free. But let's be real, I can't guarantee it will stay that way forever because spots are limited. So if you're serious about improving your trading skills and moving toward your financial goals, act now. Click the link in the description or pin comment, subscribe, and let's take this journey together. Remember, bro, your future is in your hands.